Hello everyone, welcome again to Sussex Strong Global. We have a Prince Harry sighting. Sentebale ISPS Handa Polo Cup was held in Aspen, Colorado, USA to raise critical funding for their core mission, which is to support vulnerable children in Southern Africa who are impacted by extreme poverty, inequality, and the HIV/AIDS epidemic. The Sentebale ISPS Handa Polo Cup is an outdoor charity sports match that's held annually and serves as the single largest fundraising moment for the organization to advance its mission on behalf of young people in need in Lesotho and Botswana. Due to the COVID-19 pandemic, last year's Polo Cup was postponed. Under robust guidance from a leading epidemiologist and in coordination with the Pitkin County Public Health Department and local officials, a reduced version of the fundraiser took place in Aspen, Colorado, for the sole purpose of raising vital funds to support their work. Our refocused mission at Sentebale is about addressing the most immediate needs of vulnerable children in Southern Africa, helping them access vital health services, receive necessary care, and build skills to be more resilient and self-sufficient in the future. We are incredibly grateful to our gracious hosts in Aspen, to ISPS Handa, and the many other sponsors, and to everyone involved in making this year's match not only possible, but most importantly, as safe as possible for the protection of donors, players, staff, and the entire community. The Sentebale Polo Cup is critical to securing the funds needed to advance this important mission, and I'm thrilled to be able to support Sentebale both in person and financially through a separate charity donation to meet this immediate need. This is one of several donations I plan to make to charitable organizations, and I'm grateful to be able to give back in this way for the children and communities who gravely need it. And this was said by the Duke of Sussex, co-founding patron of Sentebale, Prince Harry. While this is not a large-scale public event, as it had been in previous years, Sentebale has nevertheless actively and closely monitored the public health landscape around COVID-19 and has outlined strict protocols to ensure safety. In accordance with the guidance from public health specialists and with the support of local public health officials, the match was hosted with significantly fewer guests than in previous years. The full program was held outside where there was rigorous guidelines around vaccine requirements, testing, and the wearing of masks. ISPS Handa believes in the power of sport. It has the power to change the world, create a better society, and break down cultural and social barriers in a way that nothing else does. ISPS passionately shares Sentebale's vision to see the children and youth in Southern Africa be empowered, healthy, and resilient. ISPS Handa is excited and impressed by Sentebale's continuous work in both Lesotho and Botswana that enables vulnerable children and young people to live and thrive. Like many charities, we understand how the pandemic has impacted communities everywhere. This match has always been the single largest fundraising opportunity for Sentebale. And because last year's Polo Cup was postponed and this year's was significantly and rightfully reduced in size and scope, the organization is in need of further support to continue its mission. To help meet this need, the Duke is donating his time as well as honoring his personal commitment to donate a portion of his proceeds from his upcoming memoir by generously committing $1.5 million to Sentebale. We are enormously grateful for the Duke's personal contribution, which will allow us to continue operating at full scale and continue providing critical service to at-risk youth in Southern Africa. Sentebale ambassador and Argentine polo player Nacho Figueras joined the Duke on the field playing on the Sentebale team against the Royal Salute and US Polo Association teams in a round-robin tournament. It was reported that the charity event, Sentebale, raised $3.5 million at the Sentebale ISPS Handa Polo Cup. So that's it for now. Great news. Prince Harry's donating $1.5 million of his own money from his memoir, as well as the event raised $3.5 million that will really help the charity, which is desperately in need. So that's it for now. A Prince Harry sighting. So that's it. Remember, let's not just aim to be strong. Let's aim to be Sussex strong. Until next time, goodbye.